Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my channel. My name is Preeti. So today we are going to see John Milton's important works. Let's see what we have. तो फर्स्ट है हमारा On the Morning of Christ Nativity. फर्स्ट वर्क है इनका On the Morning of Christ Nativity 1629. ये कब आया था? 1629. 1629. On Shakespeare 1630. On Shakespeare 1630. To the Nightingale a sonnet 1631. To the Nightingale a sonnet 1631. On his being arrived at the age of 23 1631. On his being arrived at the age of 23 1631. Arcades 1630 to 34. Arcades 1630 to 34. Allegro and El Penseroso 1631 to 34. Allegro and El Penseroso 1631 to 34. Comas 1634. Lucidus written in 1637, published in 1638. Lucidus written in 1637, published in 1638. Doctrine and Discipline of Discipline. The Judgment of Martin Bucer, Tetrachordon and Clusterian 1643 to 45. Of Education and Areopagitica 1644. Of Education and Areopagitica 1644. The Tenure of Kings and Magistrates Iconoclasts 1649. Defensio pro Populo 1651. 1651. Defensio Secunda 1654. Defensio pro Si 1655. The Ready and Easy Way to Establish a Free Commonwealth 1660. Paradise Law 1658 to 65, published in 1667 with 10 books, but republished in 1674 with 12 books by splitting books 7 and 10. Books 7 and 10. Paradise Regained 1671, Samson Agonis 1671. Enim Adversions upon the Remonstrants Defense. Sonnet इनके सोनेट है हाउ सून हैथ टाइम ऑन हिज डिसेंस्ड वाइफ टू द नाइटिंगल ऑन रीचिंग द एज ऑफ 23 द मैसेक्रे ऑफ पाइडमाउंट ऑन हिज ब्लाइंडनेस. दिस इज अ सोनेट ऑफ मिल्टन. लेट्स सी पैराडाइज एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ पैराडाइज लॉस्ट. बुक फर्स्ट. Theme Fall of Man, Invocation, Satan and his banishment from heaven with fallen angels, Pandemonium. Book second. Council of evil spirit to tempt Adam and Eve, gates of hell guarded by the sin and death. Third है God sees the fall, sends Raphael to warn Adam and Eve. Son offers himself for sacrifice to take the sin. Satan disguised asks यूरियल द वे टू अर्थ. फोर्थ बुक में है अ गार्ड इन ईडन सैटन टेम्प्ट्स ईव इन ड्रीम अरेस्टेड फ्री अगेन. ये बुक 4 है. बुक 5 ईव टेल्स हर ड्रीम टू एडम. डेली रूटीन. Raphael comes a banquet, informs about the revolt of the fallen angels. Book 6. Raphael tells the story of the revolt. Book 7. Story of creation of this world is narrated to Adam and Eve by Raphael. Book 8. Adam narrated his story of creation and Eve of to Raphael. Book 9. Temptation, disobedience by Adam and Eve regarding the fruit. Book 10. Divine Judgment, Satan goes to Pandemonium. Adam and Eve repeat. Satan and his fallen angels become serpents. Book 9. God accepts Adam's represents but banishes him from paradise with Eve. Michael executes the sentences. Eve's grief at the loss of paradise. Michael inventions the fate of man. Book 11 and Book 12. Michael's vision still continues. Adam and Eve hear of the future red temptation out of paradise Lord. So these 12 books explanation. Next we study about his other poems. Thank you. Bye bye. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe.